Hey, welcome back to the channel. This week we'll cover May 27th to the 31st. It'll be week 22 of the year. Just like last week, I'll be on the TopstepX Combine, working on that account. We'll just go over the trades for each day and a little recap at the end. Also, I'll just talk about some of the bugs that I've seen on TopstepX. I've reported them already to support, but I thought it'd be interesting to point some of those out. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so May 28th. You'll notice that we don't have May 27th here because it was Memorial Day, and I didn't do any trades on Memorial Day. So we'll just kind of look at the big picture here. These blue lines were the levels that I thought would be interesting to trade at. We'll zoom back in to where I actually did trade. So here, I did not have a limit order set, even though I thought I should have. Price came up and came back down, and once it did, I decided just to enter a market order real quick, as a short. And so I did. I let it kind of run a little bit, and then it started feeling like it was going to come back and hit my stop loss. So I decided just to cut the trade early and just picked up a couple points there. But I should have stuck with my strategy, because if I did, I would have entered here and I would have hit my take profit, and if I let it run like how I had wanted to originally, I would have picked up 20 points there. But anyway, I did get a second chance and I missed it, but then there was a third chance. I had my limit order set up this time, and it worked out perfectly for me. I entered, it got kind of close to my stop loss, I went my direction and hit my take profit. So I picked up $429 and like 21 points or so for the day. I was very pleased about that. Now we'll go on to Wednesday, May 29th. So again, here are the levels that I was interested in, and here's the beginning of the day, 7:30 market open. We'll zoom in real quick to where I entered my trade. So this one worked out for me a little bit better than you think it might have, because at first I had this level here and I was waiting for price to come down. I had my limit order here and everything, but I started kind of noticing this little like range here, so I decided to go for it and I placed the limit order for here. I got filled and the price pretty much went my way immediately, so I picked up a quick 20 points minus fees. Thursday, May 30th. This day was a little rougher. So here's one level I was interested in, and here's another. So we'll zoom in real quick. So I entered exactly where I thought I should have, but price pretty much went straight to my stop loss and knocked me out, and then turned around. I drew this level here because I thought we may have a little bounce back here, so this is where I entered short. Unfortunately, price just blew through this one too and knocked me out. So Thursday, I had two losses for a loss of about $400. It doesn't show up here because it was after the session closed, so I just came back and filled this in. And then finally, Friday, May 31st. Again, these two blue lines are the levels that I was interested in. We'll zoom in real quick. So I entered short here, but price knocked me out by a few points. I hit my stop loss pretty much right away. And then I thought here would be a good place to go long. And again, I got barely knocked out. What I should do is just come back a little bit later and like have the rest of the price action of the day, so you can kind of see like, oh, like it would have gone the right way, stuff like that. Anyway, so we'll just kind of look at a little recap here. Go to the performance stats. Daily balance. So I guess one thing about TopstepX is I guess it's a little buggy. There are some bugs they're working out. Like for example, it doesn't have the 31st on here, which is kind of strange. And the profit factor is all messed up. which by my understanding is supposed to be gross profit divided by gross loss. And then even here, for sure I made trades on May 24th, but May 24th is not on here. Let's see if we can get to May 31st. Strange, you can't even scroll down. Yeah, there's a few bugs on here on the platform, but so far, I mean, it's working. My trades go through and all of the trades that I have add up. I'm talking about these trades here. Let's get this up. So yeah, basically at the end of this week, I made $15.40 on my TopstepX combine, which I guess is good. I mean, compared to like a big loss. So basically, it was just break even for the week, and so I'm pretty happy about that. I'd rather, have a $800 win, but that'll be for next week, I suppose. All right, that is everything I wanted to talk about for this week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next week.